Hi, this is Mehul from Phoenix, and we have Ms. Anvesha Batra from Shri Sukdev College of Business Studies, and she has participated with us last year in this Olympiad. Let's have a word with her and have some views about this Olympiad. Over to you, Anvesha.
Hi, thanks Mehul. As Mehul mentioned, I'm Anvesha. I am a graduate from Shahid Sukhdev College and I was a finalist at the NMFO last year. I'm currently working at Bain & Company and I'll just share what my experience at the Olympiad was. So I was one of the top 10 and I traveled to the BSc building for the final round, which was offline. And it was a great experience for me because I got to basically live a live rapid fire game round with 10 other people from across the country, and I'm still friends with them to this day, which is amazing because I got to know so much about like-minded people who invest in mutual funds. And essentially because I was a college graduate who did not know much about mutual funds and did not have enough money to invest in them, I think generating some form of education or knowledge into mutual funds gave me a lot of insight into how can I further grow my investment portfolio now that I actually have started earning. So I have an idea of where to put my money in. And I think the entire exam was a great experience because I was met with most welcoming people in Mumbai, of course, but secondly we had the experience of exploring Mumbai the very next day through the exam. The exam opened new gates for me to discover various other types of mutual funds that I can probably invest in and grow my money in. And of course, meeting the Phoenix organization team, which helped us explore Mumbai, not just explore Mumbai, explore the BSc Bull, which is one of the dreams of many people to go to in their graduation. So yeah, that was my experience last year.
That's great, Anvesha. I just want to have, do you have any message for the students who will be participating in this season, in this Olympiad?
I think for the students part, very important to just participate in the exam, even if you do not are not interested in mutual funds or are not knowledgeable about mutual funds. I think participating in the exam in itself gives you a lot of material to get to the starting point of mutual funds. Also, this is not like it's a very niche exam where you have to have knowledge about it. And I did not have knowledge about mutual funds before I began preparation for the exam. So while preparing for the exam in itself, you will get to know the different types of mutual funds and the entire world of mutual funds inside it. And not just that, I think after and if you reach the final of the exam, it's a great experience. You get to meet so many people working within the BSc building, within Phoenix organization. You get to know through their courses, you get to know a lot of things that you would not have known otherwise. And not just that, even if you do not make it to the finals, you get a lot of internship experiences that Phoenix offers for the people, for the top 100 who finish in their zonal level. And I think there are n number of opportunities to explore. So just register for the exam. The preparation and everything follows. So that's my advice. Just prepare for it. Even if you do not have an interest in finance, I think this is one of the things that you have to go forward with to build yourself as a person.
Thank you so much, Anvesha. That was a very insightful journey of yours. Thank you.